So I'm here with Rabbi Essay and Gene Carlo. Did I get your name correct?
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay, all right. So what we did here is stripping and wax. So the floor is, you can see here, looks amazing. And Gene's still going to do some more work. And let's see.
Yeah, well, we're very happy that we have my friend here from Boston Quality Cleaning. I called him last week, and he was very prompt. He said he was going to come, and he showed up. And he took a floor that was taking a real beating, and he turned it into a new floor. So we're very grateful for that. Thank you, and good luck in your wonderful work.
Excellent. Thanks so much. Appreciate your words.
Boston Quality Cleaning Services has provided Modernista exceptional service for over 2 years. All of our expectations are always met. Our workspace is very old with all hardwood floors and many white walls, and we occupy 3 floors, which covers a large space, 22,400 square feet. This is no small feat, but Boston Quality Cleaning Services has managed the job with ease and professionalism. They're friendly, easy to work with, discreet, trustworthy. They have honest suggestions, are always efficient, timely, accommodating, and extremely flexible so as to meet our needs. I would recommend them to any company that requires personalized and friendly service. Sincerely, Lisa Mullaney, Office Manager, Modernista.